Hi everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Food channel. I hope everyone is doing amazing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the classic toloo beef angwamo or beef with oil rice. So if you are interested, let's get started. This is a very easy recipe. So I'm just going to heat up some oil and I'm using vegetable oil. Then I am going to add in my salted beef. This is homemade salted beef or toloo beef. If you want to know how I made this, please go and look at the video. I've got it. Now I am going to fry the toloo beef. If you see it bubbling, it's normal. It's because of the salt. Now I am going to give it a stir and I'm frying it on medium heat. So I'll be frying it until I get the desired color I like, and this is how I like my salted beef when I'm making angwamo. So I'm just going to take them out of the oil. It is very easy to make your own salted beef, guys. It's better to do it yourself than to go and buy it at the shop because they sell it, but it's so expensive. So please go and watch my video. So this is it. I'm going to keep it aside and then fry my onions. I've also decided to add in some scotch bonnet, but you don't have to. This is just my personal preferences. Then I'm going to stir it and leave it to fry until the onion becomes translucent and lightly caramelized. This is how I like it. So this is what I am talking about. This is the perfect onion for me when I'm making angwamo. Now I am going to add in my beef back, stir it, and then leave it on the lower heat until I wash the rice. So guys, I'm using perfumed rice or Thai homali rice, but it also goes well with basmati or brown rice. Technically, you can use any type of rice you like. So I'll be washing it about 3 times, so until the water runs clear. Not everyone washes the rice, but I prefer to do it. So make sure the water runs clear. Hey guys, I am now going to add the rice to the pot, and I have got about 9 to 11 rice cups. So it's very small cups, you know. So you might think 9 cups, it's big. No, these are very small cups that comes with the rice cooker. I don't know if you see what I mean. Yeah, but of course it will depend on how many people you're cooking the rice for. So we are 5 here, so this is just okay for us. Next, I am going to stir it. Make sure you stir it very well. Next, I am going to add water to it, and here I have got about 1 liter of water, and then I am going to stir it. However, if you want your rice to be a little bit more mushy, you have to add a bit more of water, but I don't like soft rice at all. So 1 liter is perfect for me. Then I am going to add some salt to taste. Don't forget to taste it, okay, because it might not be enough for you. Stir, and that's it. And basically our recipe is finished. So all we have to do now is to let it cook. So I'll be leaving it to cook for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'll come back and check it. So this is my rice, and it's already looking amazing and it smells wonderful in the kitchen. So I'm going to stir it. And then I'll be covering it with some parchment paper or baking paper just for a few more minutes. And cover it. So guys, I am back and my rice is ready. Look at this. This is the perfect toloo beef Angwamo or salted beef Angwamo. And I promise you, you are going to love it. I'm just stirring it and then I'll show you a close-up. This is really a quick fix. So if you don't want to spend too much time cooking, this is the best thing to cook and everyone loves it. And this is a close-up. Look at this rice. Perfect. All you need to add is your pepper and your fried egg if you want fried egg. This time I did not add any fried egg because of the meat, but yes, or even some sardines. It's just so delicious. Alright guys, so this was the end of my recipe. I really hope you're going to try it. If you do, don't forget to send me pictures on Instagram. Don't forget to comment, like and share my videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.